What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Hams, back again with another home photography video ideas for you. On my last video, I did this lemon in sparkling water macro photography. If you haven't watched that video, I'll put the link in the description. And for today's episode, actually this is the third installation of my home photography ideas. Pinag-isipan ko talaga to, ano yung maganda at madaling gawin, tsaka accessible lang yung materials na kailanganin. Kaya I decided to try this smoke photography. Yes po, smoke as in usok. And if you're in photography or just want to learn how to do this smoke photography, you search in the internet. I'm quite sure 99% they will show you to use this incense stick or this Chinese incense candle. But for this episode, nag-isip ako what are other alternative other than the incense stick. Kaya I opted to use this katol or yes po, katol mosquito killer. Actually, a while ago I compared the smoke coming out from this katol and this incense stick, and medyo makapal lang yung usok ng katol, tsaka medyo erratic siya, pero I like the pattern of the smoke kumpara nito. Kaya I decided to use this. Kaya for today's photography, let's use this, and I will show you the setup. Actually, setup ko na to, ipakita ko lang sa iyo, and let's shoot. Okay, so this is our setup guys. As you can see, ito yung katol, sinindihan ko na, and this is my phone. Actually, I opened up the torchlight. The purpose of the light is for you to be able to see the smoke so that you can see your composition and shoot. If you cannot autofocus, you just use manual focus. A while ago I tried autofocus really hard, so you can use manual focus. And another thing is our external flash is fired wirelessly through a trigger. I will show you the flash setting and my camera settings. For this one, I use my macro lens. Later you can use your kit lens. Later I will use another lens, and this is our background. For this photography, you should have a black background. Actually, this is a reflector. I just use the black side, and any cardboard also will do. And so let's start shooting. For the first round, we'll shoot mainly on the smoke. Hopefully we can get some good patterns or abstract. But for the second round, we will level up a bit. I have prepared some stuff just to be a bit creative. Sa photography naman, wala namang limit yan, walang boundaries, na sa iyo yung creativity. Kaya hopefully this shoot will turn out well, makakuha tayo ng magandang kuha. So without further ado, let's shoot. There you go guys, that's how I shoot this creative smoke photography. As you can see, it turns out quite well. I've shared to you a few of my photos, and if you do like this video, please have to click the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and can click the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified on my next upload. Next week, I'll be sharing to you another photography video. And until then, see you in my next video.